We're going to cook pasta e pomodoro. It's a very easy pasta recipe that you can cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. So, andiamo! So in cooking this recipe, you have two options what kind of tomato you're going to use, which is this one or the real tomato. This one is available in the grocery, which is very easy. I think this is only like €5 or €7, maybe. I didn't check the prices. And this one, the real tomato, it's costing around €2 to €3. So, in this recipe as well, I'm gonna add olive oil. Not just olive oil, the olive. Add the olive as well. And that's it. And the pasta shells itself. Just one garlic. So this one is for the pasta. And this one is for the sauce. Bit of salad.
Vabbè.